Hello friends, welcome again in American Yoga Hub. So today we are performing a Shavasana. Shava means corpse, dead body. In this asana, body becomes completely still and relaxed like a corpse. Therefore it is called Shavasana. It is practiced with slow and deep breathing. Now the method is lie flat on your back on a mat. Keep both the legs straight and slightly apart. Leave about 18 to 20 inches of distance between the feet. Let the toes fall outward naturally. Keep both the hands beside the body with the palms being facing upward. Keep the head straight and close the eyes gently. Now mentally observe the whole body from the feet to the head. Relax every part of the body completely. Practice this relaxation 3 times so that entire body becomes fully relaxed. Remove the mind from outside thought and try to focus it on your breathing. Then slowly relax all the muscles and bones from head to toe. Whole body will come into the position of complete relaxation like a corpse. Keep breathing long, deep and natural. This practice gives rest to all the organs, nerves and tissues of the body and bring peace to the mind. If Shavasana is practiced properly and regularly, one may start feeling sleepy, but it is important to remain awake consciously during the practice. This asana should be done according to one's capacity. People who suffer from sleeplessness should practice it daily before sleeping. It is also beneficial to practice Shavasana 2 or 3 times during the day whenever time is available. Now see the benefits of it. Shavasana can be practiced before, during or after all yoga postures. It provides rest and energy to every part of the body. Fatigue is removed. It increases the capacity to work harder. Mental tension is reduced. It strengthens the nervous system. Mental power improves. Patients suffering from heart disease and high blood pressure get special benefit by practicing this asana for 10 to 15 minutes morning and evening. So this is all about the benefits of this asana, and this asana should be done after every asana. Whatever asana we are taking daily, so after every asana you can practice this asana. So that will be very beneficial for you. So please subscribe this channel and like it and share it to the friends so that they can also benefit. And we'll meet again now tomorrow with the new asana.